Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find trending reels on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram application. So once you open Instagram application, you simply need to click on reels and you simply need to scroll, and here you can see the total number of likes count. So if you have more the likes count, so here you can see 1.3 million, so it means that it is the trending, and you can use that original audio as well from here. So here you can see different videos that are made, but here you can see it got 19.8 million. So you can click on three dots and you can save this audio that you can use in your video. So you should basically you need to scroll and you can find the trending reels here. So this is the process that you need to follow to find trending reels on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.